Hi everyone, wishing all of you a very happy new year. This is my first video in this new year 2021. So let's start with a surprise for all of you. Here, I have a little gift for all of you and I want you to select the gift. It's totally your choice, either this box or this box. And you can let me know in the comments which one would you prefer and also why. Alright, so you must be wondering what am I doing? Well, keep watching this video right till the end, find out the reason and why we are doing this. Hi, I'm Imrana and you're watching Inaya Pearls, and this is a very special new year for all of us because we all know what we have gone through in the last year and we're hoping that this year is better than ever before. So now today's topic is a really interesting one, and before I start the topic, as you know, as you read from the title, I would just like to introduce myself for all those of you who are new here, and for all the returning subscribers, welcome back. So I'm Imrana and I'm the founder and owner of Inaya Pearls, my online jewelry store. I'm a trained makeup artist. I'm also a personal style and confidence coach or consultant, whatever you'd like to call. So let's delve into this topic. It's so close to my heart. I just feel for this topic a lot. So I would be really interested to see which of these two boxes you have chosen for this purpose. But before we get into it, let me just, you know how much I love jewelry. So let me just talk about these earrings. I'm so excited about this new collection that we have started this year. It's called the Hope Collection. And these are the earrings I'm wearing from this. So Hope loops or whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to leave a picture here and you can check them out. Please visit our website. And if you're interested in content like makeup, styling, jewelry, and also inner confidence, I'll be dealing a lot I'll be speaking a lot about this topic. This is really close to my heart, starting from one of the really important topics. Do you think that your appearance affects your success? Well, today you stay tuned till the end because I'll be giving you a lot of interesting real examples and statistics related to the same. So after seeing your comments, I will know which of these boxes you've chosen. But my guess is, if you ask me, and I don't know anything about what's inside these boxes, I would definitely go for this one. I'm sure, I have a feeling most of you would choose, but maybe there would be some who would choose this. So me, I would definitely go for this. Now, it's often said what's in the inside that matters and not what's on the outside, and that is correct. But when someone really doesn't know what's inside this, what will you go for? You will definitely go by how it is presented, how does it look like, and that applies to human beings as well. Now, before I go further, I really want to say, I really think what's inside is more important. But my question here is, when you are going for an interview in a job situation, or you are coaching, or you're teaching, or you are in any field where you're interacting with people, and especially I'm talking about first impressions here, do they even know anything about you? No, all they can do is assess you on the basis or on the way you present yourself, and that is exactly the topic of today. So let us first start with the first. I've already done one little experiment with you. That was my first starting point. The next point is, I'm sure all of you have heard of law of attraction, LOA, as it's popularly called. That simply states like attracts like. Now that's a huge topic. I'm not really going into it today, but I'll just say tell you the basic line. Like attracts like. So if you go by that principle, so whatever you want to achieve in your life, especially if it's success, then you need to be the part. Like, you need to dress like you're successful, act like you're successful, talk like you're successful, communicate, everything about you, and the similar energy will be drawn to you, the energy of success. So there's a lot of, you can really educate yourself on this topic. I might do it on some other day, but for today I'm just sticking to this point. So that was my second point, that if you know the principle of like attracts like, you really need to really need to be that energy that you want to attract. Now let me share a very important point here. Research tells us, are you aware of this point, that when someone meets you for the first time, they form an impression about you within the first 4 seconds. Yes, it is that quick. Now you must be thinking, that's totally unfair. I get the point. It's unfair if somebody assesses me in just 4 seconds of meeting me. But you know something, what they have found out, researchers have found out, this is purely subconscious. This kind of assessment happens at a subconscious level. So as they say, there are no second chance. There is no second chance for a first impression, or rather first impressions are always the strongest. So this is where today's topic comes in. So it is, if you are presenting yourself, whatever be your capacity, whether you are in any job, in any profession, whether you're online or whether you're offline, you're interacting with people, you really need to invest in yourself. You really need to put your best self, your well presented self forward, because this is what's going to happen. Research is giving us time and again a lot of interesting information about this. At the end of this video, I'm going to share a very interesting real time research that they have that has been conducted in USA, and what it has shown, and you will be amazed to see. So stay tuned till the end and do watch this video right till the end. So there is the next point I want to say is that the American Personal Consultants is a group of is a company that hires people for large companies, positions in large companies. And what they have found out, they have actually said that we assess a candidate who comes to us within 30 seconds. Okay, so they've gone up to 30 seconds, but they are into that whole game of assessing people for their job. So the average person will assess you in 4 seconds. Now they give you 30 seconds, but then so even before that you get the chance to present your knowledge or your skills, you're being assessed. So that's why it's extremely important that you're well presented whenever you go to any kind of a social situation, a job situation, or you have your own business. How you present yourself to your customers, clients, all of that comes under the same category. Now what do you need to do if you want to present yourself well? Please don't get me wrong here. I'm not asking you to spend a lot of money on expensive clothes, jewelry, expensive things to make yourself look good. No, that's not what I'm talking about. You can look good going to any kind of store, just picking the things that you need to know what suits you, what makes you look your best. So please follow me Inaya Pearls on Instagram. We are coming up with a lot of content where what kind of jewelry suits, what kind of face shape, what kind of outfit suits you, and this kind of information. So do follow Inaya Pearls at Instagram, and please take advantage of the knowledge that I'll be sharing over there. So if you want to go to the next level of success, dress the part, because the human brain is hardwired. And if you may not think so, you may not even be aware. I wasn't aware of this till I did research on this and found out that whether it's me or you, we are all hardwired inside our brain. Our brain circuits are wired in a way. We are going to assess people on the basis of how they are dressed. So now, does this mean that what's inside you is not important? I'm not saying that at all. Because you are not defined by your appearance, not at all. But you definitely give an impression about yourself through your appearance. So the difference and the key point to understand here is, I'm not saying that you'll be judged purely by the way you look and not valued for the person you are. You will be valued, but that is at a later stage, when people get to know your talents, they get to know the kind of person you are, they get to know your skills. But we are talking about initially, when no one knows anything about you and you are presenting yourself to the world in any situation, social and work, I'm repeating it here, doesn't matter the situation that you're in. But whatever, the way you're looking, the way you present yourself will definitely reach out in the form of an impression to people, and that unfortunately or fortunately does make an impact. So that's why success comes to those who are prepared. So sometimes when you run out for an errand, I try and put in some little effort into my appearance. I don't want to look like I'm just woken up from the bed and I'm rushing out. That's not what I want to look like, because you never know what opportunity, who you come across, who you meet, what opportunity can knock at your door. So try and look. And I'm not saying spend 1 hour dressing up and putting makeup on your face, but look a little presentable. It should look like you should look put together. So on this channel, I share a lot of this kind of content. So continue to keep watching, subscribing. Please like, share, subscribe, and you will, I'm sure, get some points which are helpful. Now, There's a famous saying, and two of my mentors, my most favorite mentors, use this a lot. One of them is Pooja, and one of them is Terry, Pooja Praneeth and Terry Sewell-Foy, and they both say this, the way you do something is the way you do everything. So that's really close to my heart, because I realized that if you start taking care of yourself, of your surroundings, you will see the difference it creates in your life. Now this can be a video on a whole new topic, so I'll just leave you with those thoughts. And for conclusion, I would like to conclude by telling you about this book called Dress for Success by John T. Molloy. You can check him out. He actually did a really interesting experiment, and the experiment goes something like this. So in New York's most busy airport, the Grand Central, station, the Grand Central Station, forgive me for that. So New York's Grand Central Station, the author of this book, Mr. John, he dressed up in a suit but not a tie. Okay, for the first 1 hour he did not wear a tie, only a suit, and then he went around asking people, strangers, that I've left my wallet at home and I need 75 cents to reach home, can you please help me? And in 1 hour he was able to collect $7. Now second hour he decided to wear a tie on the same suit. Everything was same, the only thing which changed was a tie. And guess how many dollars he was able to gather or collect in the second hour? You will not believe it, $26. The same man, same coat or suit he was wearing, but the only difference was a tie and without a tie. You see what I'm talking about here? He's written an entire book on this. So Dress for Success, please read it if you can and order it. I'll leave a link if possible in the description box. This is the power of your appearance. Now we are talking about, so you need to understand that I'm not saying just look the part and don't have the skills, don't have the knowledge. No, both are equally important, but it starts with the external appearance and then it goes inside. Of course, if you're looking the part but you have no skills, knowledge, it's not going to work. So let me know if you like this topic, and also let me know about the initial question, this box or this box, which would you choose? Now maybe you will choose a different box, but I want you to write your first answer. So if you enjoy this kind of content, please continue to like, share, subscribe, join the family. Remember, you are beautiful and you are your biggest asset. I'm just requesting you to invest in yourself a little bit each day and see where it takes you. Happy New Year once again. Stay safe and stay happy. Thank you for watching.